Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using 3D carts for beginners in 2024. So 3D carts is a robust e-commerce platform designed to help you build and manage your online store effortlessly. So today we will walk you through the basics to help you set up your new online store and start even selling online. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever browser you have. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section and all you need to do is simply just type 3D cards and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go click on this first link. As you can see, make sure it's not a sponsor or something like that, and you will be taken to their home screen or main screen right away. Of course, if you have an account by any chance, you can simply just go here at the top right corner and click on get started. And if you don't have an account instead, you can simply just go and click on start for free. If you don't know nothing about 3D cards, of course, you can take some time and just go through like their home screen to learn more information about their website example, which is Shift for Shop as example, and just go through it and understand more about it. Of course, you will say, okay, this is not 3D like cards, but 3D cards has become like Shift for Shop. As you can just simply look it online. So did like 3D like cards become what was the name again? Shift, yeah. So Shift for shop as example. So it's simple with a simple search, as you can see. So yeah, 3D cards was rebranded as Shift for Shop, as you can see, in January 2021, following the acquisition of 3D cards by Shift for Payments, as you can see. So keep that in mind. As you can see in here, you can simply, as we said, scroll down through their home screen, main screen, if you want to learn more about it. If you care about the pricing, here is it. Let's see if they have a free plan or not, as example. So as you said, click on the pricing. As you can see, you can just create your own new store here. So where's the pricing exactly? Where's the plans that they have? So of course, here they have some frequently asked questions. I'll just open all of those as example. You can pause the video and read whatever answer you want if you have one of those questions. Where are, as you said, the pricing specifically. So okay, it seems like at $0 as an example, you'll be able to start with it. Okay, it says in here. So as an example, while our competitor starts for 300 or more per month to host your online store, your monthly e-commerce could be even $0 with Shift for Shop. All you need to process is a minimum of 500 per month with Shift 4 through your Shift 4 store, and your monthly e-commerce platform will be free. So yeah, that's great to hear. So all you need to do, just go and click on start for free as example. So here they're telling the free end-to-end e-commerce plan is only available to the United States merchants at this time. If you are not located within the United States, you will not be able to sign up for a free plan. Please check out back later to learn, of course, if the free end-to-end commerce plan has become available in your country. Of course, I'll just go and try to use a VPN. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'll try to use it and come back. So after using a VPN, I'll just go and click on start for free here, create your store now. So yeah, it seems like it's worked. Okay, so as you can see here, launching your business 3, 2, 1. So all you need to do is fill up some information, starting by the name of the shop. For me, I'll just name it Omix as example. What type of shop do you run? I'll look for I don't know if they have like something near whatever I want in here. So I'll just go for others at the moment, or for other. As you can see here, you'll have to pick your favorite theme. So select one of the themes below that we specially designed for other businesses like yours. Of course, if you choose like other options, they'll give you another special themes depending on whatever you want. And as you can see, if you don't like any of these, don't worry, you'll be able to change your theme, as example, to any of our 100 plus options once you complete the setup. So just go here and click on continue. Of course, once you choose one of the things that you like in here, maybe as example, I'll choose this one, then click on continue. Of course, you'll be able always to go back if you didn't like any of those options, example. So here, tell us about yourself, like from the first name to last name as an example. So I'll just go here and type like this. Address example, I'll just fill up some address here. Phone number, I'll just fill up a random one. I don't know if it's working, if it's gonna work or not. So I'll just do this, and then like 4 numbers. For email, I'll enter that number right here or that email right here, .com. And reason you're considering shifts for shop. Want to start dropshipping business example? Why not? Then click on launch. As simple as that. Once you click on launch, as you can see, a verification code has been sent to your phone number. Please enter it below. So this number is just something random that I did. So as example, a number, I'll just look for something like that. So generator or SMS as example. So SMS verification. So verification for free as example. Just go and check if there's a number that you can use. So try for free as example. Why not? And I need a United States like number. You can use that. Why not? So of course I'll have to fill up my informations here. I'll just fill up my random informations and password. I'll just go okay and enter like that and here, and it should be good to go. Sign up, as simple as that. And your email couldn't be verified. Please contact the support. Okay, so it did not work for me. I'll just look for something other than that. Maybe it's Wilo or this one example. Look for both. So what about this one? Yeah, try it for free as an example. So we just go here and fill up like informations. So company, I'll just enter that. Yeah, and password, I'll just go and do this. And yeah, agree to that and click on get started and let's hope for the best. So click on get started. Wait. So I guess I fill up all those requirements, right? Yeah, it should be like that. So I'll just even check this option maybe. This didn't work. I'll just go with this as an example. So, okay, I'll just go here, enter a code provided by my thing in here. So all I need to do, okay, like it was not this one. So I'll need this one as an example. And let's just see. So something went wrong again. Yeah, like something is not working as intended. So it's fine. And here, of course, I'll just go and no need to enter the number for me. Of course, for you, just enter the number and you'll be basically have access to all the shifts like for shop things. Of course, especially if you're in the United States, you can even use like a VPN if it's not working. For me, I'm using ZenMate's VPN, an extension that you can find wherever you want, as example, in extensions, and you'll have access, of course, to all of those, all of their options or resources. And of course, as you can see, you can here see all the features that they have. You'll have access to their builder. You'll be able to customize your store however you want, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.